Good morning children. In today's class we will see graphical representation of cumulative frequency distribution. As you know, cumulative frequency, from the frequency values we will find the cumulative frequency. Now the given data, how to represent graphically, we will see in this class. As we all know children, pictures speak better than words. So a graphical representation help us in understanding given data in a glance. So this curve, cumulative frequency distribution, is also called as Ogive curve. It is two types. Ogive curve is of two types. First is less than cumulative frequency and second is more than cumulative frequency. In this class we will see both types. Let's see chapter 14 only, exercise 14.4, page number 355. First question is, the following distribution gives the daily income of 50 workers of a factory. Here daily income in rupees and number of workers he has given children, that that table he has given. So what he is asking, convert the distribution above to a less than type cumulative frequency distribution and draw its ogive. That means we need to draw the graph also for this. Ogive is nothing but children S-shaped curve. Ogive means S-shaped curve we will get. So whatever information he has given, we wrote in column types. We need to prepare a table in which 4 columns we need. Whether it is a less than type cumulative frequency or more than cumulative frequency, we need 4 columns. First 2 columns, whatever information he has given, daily income is nothing but class interval which he has given, 250 to 300, 300 to 350, I have copied. Number of workers is nothing but frequency. Then third column and fourth column we need to prepare. Are you getting my point children? Now from the frequency we need to find the cumulative frequency. It is also called as less than cumulative frequency. Only you say cumulative frequency or less than cumulative frequency. Fourth column is points. I'll tell you how to make the points. First let's see how to prepare the cumulative frequency. As you know from the median, when we solve the median problem, we came to know that how to find the cumulative frequency. Let's see. First frequency as it is we will write. Second frequency, first plus second, 12 plus 12, 14, 26. Then 26 plus this 8, 34, 34 plus this 6, 40, 40 plus this 10, 50. In this way we will find cumulative frequency. One values we will add. Clear children? When we are talking about less than type cumulative frequency, and he mentioned draw ogive curve. Ogive means as I told you, S-shaped curve. So when we need to draw the curve, we need the points. That means x values and y values we need. So how to take x values we need and y values. Y value is nothing but cumulative frequency. X value we will take from the class interval. When he mentioned less than cumulative frequency, we will take x values as upper limit or upper boundary. Are you getting my point children? When he mentioned draw the less than type cumulative frequency distribution, that means we need to take from the class interval upper limits. All upper limit we should take as x values, and this cumulative frequencies value we will take as y value. Clear children? See here, class interval, in class interval upper limit is 300, that is on x axis, and cumulative frequency y value 12. Then next is 350, this 26, 400, 34, 450, this 40, 500 and this 50. X values are upper boundaries in less than cumulative frequency, and y values are cumulative frequencies value. Clear children? These points we need to plot on the graph. Let's see. On this is x-axis and this is y-axis, both are intersecting at point, that is nothing but origin 0. X-axis we will take upper limits, and y-axis as I told you cumulative frequency we will take. Here he mentioned less than cumulative, so we are writing less than cumulative frequency. Clear children? And when we are drawing graph, scale is compulsory. X-axis I am taking 1 centimeter distance, 50 units. From this box, from here to here, one box, 50 difference I am taking, and y-axis 1 centimeter is 5 units. See here, from 0 to this 5 distance I am taking. Am I clear children? We have up to 50 on y-axis and here up to 500. 50 different distance means I didn't start with 50. I started with 250. If we start with 250, we need long graph. So you can start with 200, 250 also. So I have started 250, 300, 350, 400, 450, 500, 550, like that. 5 difference. 50 difference, and y-axis 5 difference, 0 to 5, 5 to 10, 10 to 15, like that up to 50. Clear children? Now let's see how to plot the points. First is 312. 300 is here and 12. 10 is here means 11 and 12. Two boxes inside one big box. Small small boxes are there, 10 boxes. These two small boxes represent 1 because 5 distance I have taken. So here is 312. Next is 350 and 26. 350 on x-axis, 26. 25 here means 26 here. Then next is 434. 400 here and 34. 35 is here, less than 35 is nothing but 34. Then 450 and 40. 450 and 40 we marked here. 550. 550. These all points we need to join. We'll get a free hand curve. See children, it is looking like S shape. That is nothing but ogive curve. Clear children? Always remember, when he mentioned less than type, that means x-axis will take upper limits and y-axis will take less than cumulative frequency. Clear children? Through this curve we can get the median also. How? Let's see it. N is nothing but number of frequencies, total frequency. Here n is 50. From the 50 we can find the median. See, 50 means 50 by 2, n by 2 we need to take. 50 by 2 is 25. See, on cumulative frequency y-axis 25 is where? 25 is here children. See, 25 here and come down 25 where the graph is cutting this y-axis. If you come down, it is less than 350. Exactly one box less than 350. That is nothing but 348. Through the graph we are getting median as 348. You can check by actual formula also. You will get 348 only or 347 point something only. Clear children? Now in this problem only he mentioned only less than cumulative, but we will do the more than cumulative frequency also. As it is, 2 column he has given, class interval and frequency. We copied from there. For cumulative frequency we need to find more than cumulative frequency. I will show you how. And 4th column as it is points. Here also we need to prepare 4 columns. Clear children? So from frequency only we will get the more than cumulative frequency. As you know, only cumulative frequency or less than cumulative frequency, one value we will add, then only we will get. Here also we need to add only, but from down. In cumulative frequency we will add from up to down. Now here we will add from down to up. See, first value is 10 as it is I wrote. Second value is this 10 plus 6, 16. Then next is 16 plus this 8, 24. Next is this 24 plus 14, 38. Then 38 plus this 12, 50. Are you getting my point children? In cumulative frequency or less than cumulative frequency we will add from up to down, but in more than cumulative frequency you can say you have to add from down to up. Clear? Now points. When we are talking about more than type, so we should take lower boundary or lower limit. Clear children? On x-axis we will take lower limit when he mentioned more than type. Clear? On y-axis as it is this cumulative frequencies value. See, x value is 250 and this 50. Next is lower limit is 300 and this 38. Next is 350 lower limit, then 24, then 400 and this 16, then 450 and this 10. Are you getting my point children? When he mentioned more than type we will take lower boundary. When he mentioned less than type we will take upper boundary. Clear? Now see, let's plot these points. As it is I am taking scale 50-50 difference on x-axis and 5-5 difference on y-axis, and lower limit on x-axis and more than cumulative frequency on y-axis. So first point is 250 to 50, 250 and 50 here. Then next is 338. Here 40 means 38 will come here. Then 350 and 24 will come here. Then 416. Then 450 and 10. Now we have to join the points. Then we will get a curve. Are you getting my point children? More than cumulative frequency the graph will be from up to down. In less than cumulative frequency graph will be from down to up. Did you observe children? Less than down to up and more than up to down will come. Clear? These two graphs you can plot in one paper, in one graph paper also. Here I have done. This is more than cumulative frequency which I have shown with orange color, and which I have shown with blue. It is less than cumulative, where both are intersecting. From there we can find the median. See, n by 2 for median we need to find n by 2. That is nothing but 50 by 2, 25. See, on y-axis 25 is here, touching this here, and we need to find the x value. Always limits, lower limit and upper limit only will be the median. That's why we are coming down. So it is getting less than 350, that is nothing but 248 only, or you will get 347.8 something. Clear children? From the curve where the both curves are intersecting, there only will get the median. Now your question, your homework is chapter 14, exercise 14.4, question number 3, and chapter 14 examples you need to solve. Clear?